Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. SUI's chart is in a sideways range, seems frozen. We haven't broken above, any of those recent signal lines that I mentioned on the chart, which means the pressure here remains downward, or at least we have indecision. There is no impulse from any of the recent lows, which is somewhat a bit concerning. If we zoom out a little bit, it is a sideways consolidation pattern that's forming here. We maybe even see that better on the larger time frame. So if I go to the SUI long-term chart, you see that even better. That we're moving here in this sideways range we've been tracking. You might even be able to view that as a triangle pattern there. Now this wave 4 could of course be a triangle. That's another idea that I have, but that's not the preferred interpretation, this triangle idea. Important is that we're, that we see a break above this $4.44 level. I talked about that many times. It's the swing high from May and July. And for now, we hold even, below the nearest resistances. So we're far away from any really significant breakout points to the upside. It's important to understand that on the Binance chart, that 10th of October low was at 55 cents, whereas on the Coinbase chart, it was way different. It was around $2. So it's this situation, where we ask ourselves, which chart can we actually trust? And I wouldn't trust any of them. I think we need to be a bit flexible here in the current situation. The coming weeks should give us hopefully some clarity. The market can stay in this range for a long time. To be honest, it stayed in this range for the last few months. But if we get a break out of these key levels that are marked there on the chart in red and green, that would be a significant breakout signal. To the downside, we have the level around $1.70, and to the upside, $3.50, $4.44. Now back to the smaller time frame, you see that actually we have some internal micro resistance levels. They're only really relevant on the micro, on the nano degree. And we've got here $2.68 and $3.02 and then $3.50 above. The $3.50 level is the next key level above that we are watching. This is the critical one. That's not the October high. It's the 10th of October high where that selling pressure came in. But as you can see, not much is going on down there. We're waiting. That doesn't mean it's necessarily bearish. It just means there is absolutely nothing happening here right now. We're waiting for signals that the bulls show up. As always, the routine. That would be a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. It's important to understand that to the downside, the 10th of October low on the Coinbase chart is going to be relevant at $2, and then the April low at around $1.72. That's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.